Saving our ocean, the importance of protecting Taiwan's ocean.
Hi, I'm Penny.
Hi, I'm Crystal.
Hi, I'm Senior.
Can you imagine an ocean without any life? As an island, Taiwan's people, environment, and climate are all deeply connected and dependent on the oceans. Yet, our oceans face serious threats from plastic pollution, overfishing, and coral bleaching, which are seriously harming our ocean's ecosystem. For this reason, Taiwan's commitment to SDG 14, Life Below Water, a global goal to protect marine life, is vital. We must act now to save our ocean. Today, we will explore the challenges our oceans face, the progress Taiwan has made toward SDG 14, and the efforts still needed to achieve this goal. To understand why action is critical, we need to understand the current situations Taiwan's oceans are facing, starting with ocean pollution. The Ministry of Environment reports that of the 13 million tons of plastic Taiwan uses annually, 65,000 tons ends up in the oceans. This plastic pollution not only harms our sea life through ingestion, entanglement, and suffocation, but it also pollutes our groundwaters and poses serious health risks. Microplastic, tiny plastic pieces, carry harmful chemicals into our seafood, causing illnesses like hormone issues and cancer. Another major problem is coral bleaching, driven by factory waste and rising ocean temperatures. In Kenting, over 60% of coral are affected. Coral bleaching happens when the ocean gets too hot, and the algae that provide food, shelter, and cause beautiful colors leaves the coral. Without the algae, the corals die, leaving countless sea animals without shelter or food. Overfishing is also a critical issue. In 2015, the EU issued Taiwan a yellow card for insufficient action against overfishing. Fish like tuna and swordfish are becoming smaller and fewer in number. In fact, industrial had reduced the number of predator fish by 90% since 1950. This threatened fishermen's livelihood and risks species extinction. Without action, our oceans and Taiwan's future are in serious danger. Now, here's Crystal to explain what is being done in Taiwan and the efforts still needed to achieve.
As my partner Penny just mentioned, the impact of our actions on the ocean has led to many serious problems that need to be addressed. To reach SDG 14, the Taiwan government has put several solutions into action. First, to address the ocean pollution that is harming our environment and food chain, the government has enacted Marine Pollution Control Act. This act focuses on reducing illegal activities such as wastewater discharge and ocean dumping to cut down the amount of pollution entering our water. Second, to better protect marine life, the government has established marine protect areas and implemented fishery resource management systems. Together, these systems are designed to protect our marine ecosystem together. These systems are designed to protect our marine ecosystem by providing marine life safe areas to flourish and repopulate, while at the same time making sure that Taiwan has the fish need to feed its population. On top of this, Taiwan also working with various international partners, like the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, FEMSEDRA, and PADI Aware, to protect our ocean and reach SDG 14. All of these actions show Taiwan's dedication to healthier ocean. However, there is still much more that we must do. Right now, let's welcome Xenia to talk about.
Although Taiwan's government made progress toward SDG 14, more effort is still needed if we hope to fully achieve this goal. One meaningful way we can contribute is joint beach cleanup activity, such as the organization recently organized. This event help protect marine life and improve our environment by removing trash and other harmful material from our shore. According to 2024 Receipt's annual research report, the organization worked with the volunteers from across Taiwan cleaning beaches and collect thousands of kilograms of waste along the coastline. Another effective way to help is using eco-friendly products. This item made from recycled or natural material help reduce the waste. For example, the Taiwanese brand RITE now creates stylish bags from recycled plastic bottles, supporting a sustainable lifestyle. Many cafes, like Barista Coffee and Arabica, not only provide paper or metal straw instead of plastic one, setting a positive example. Even small actions like using reusable bottles can greatly reduce waste. We can also fight overfishing by choosing sustainable seafood or eat less fish. Simple step: cleaning beaches, choosing eco-friendly products, reducing plastic use, or make smart food choices. All help keep our ocean healthy. Together, this effort can make a big difference in achieving SDG 14.
As we see today, our oceans are facing zero trade, from pollution and coral bleaching to overfishing. But we also see that change is possible. Taiwan has made real progress through government policy, international partnerships, and community efforts. However, reaching SDG 14 is not just government job. It's something we must all take part in.
Whether join beach cleanup activity, choosing eco-friendly products, saying no to plastic straw, or making smarter food choices, if every small action counts, we hope everyone can learn more about SDG 14 through our speech. But more importantly, we hope everyone can work together to protect our beauty, so that our beautiful ocean can live forever and become a treasure passed down from generation to generation.
Let's be part of the solution, not the pollution.
我们是第7组，我是刘品成，
我是蔡一个。
我是郭雅芝
Thank you.